guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday, my usual day for starting off a vlog. Today I did not do any filming of any makeup sorts this morning because honestly I was just so tired. Like, I don't know why, but I'm just not really feeling the filming thing for makeup anymore. You see Saoirse in the back? So we've just collected her from the childminder. But I did do editing, which was something because I had a fair bit of that to do, and I still have a fair bit to do. So at least that'll keep me going for the week, and I have like scheduled posts ready to go. So I'm not like behind on anything, and anything that I do that I, you know, that is relevant, I'll just kind of push everything else up and slot everything else in. Hi, Papa. There's my gorgeous girl. She did a big wee in the potty today, so we're super happy. So we're starting that journey. But she doesn't do it at home. She's great at doing it in the childminders, but she's not too good at doing it at home. So we have that. But yeah, so we're just at the fish and chip shop at the minute. We're just going to get like some chippies for lunch. And then we're going to Argos. Daddy is waiting for our chippies. We're going to Argos then to get some boxes for moving. I sorted out like yesterday. I should have filmed it really, but I just couldn't have been bothered. That's the kind of mood I'm in, like. I went and I cleaned out all my nail stuff because I'm a qualified nail tech, and I don't really do it professionally anymore. I just do it for myself and for a few friends. But maybe when I get to the new place, maybe when I get to the new place, how gorgeous is my baby girl? When I get to the new place, I'll probably take it back up again because it's something I really enjoy and really love. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, I literally sorted out all my stuff, like threw away all old products. You can't see, can you not? You can't see Mommy talking. Decanted some things, just put a lot of stuff away and tidied up. I got 2 boxes ready then for the storage container. So they're gone there last night. So I was happy enough with that. We'll go this way, Baba, because my hand is sore. Yeah, so that's where I'm kind of at with that. All I have to do now is I have lipsticks to do, lip glosses and all that kind of stuff. And I have some single eyeshadows and pigments to pack away. That's about it, really. Yeah. Oh, and I did do a thing. Because I bought something, even though like I shouldn't have. But I kind of was like, oh, I really want to try this because it's really new and it's really relevant. And, you can't see? But I can see you. Peepo. Peepo. Yeah, it was just nice to be able to be like... Dad. It was actually nice just to have a day to do nothing today. Just sit down, chill, watch some documentaries. I'm actually really fond of like UFO documentaries and that kind of thing. I really find that really interesting. Dad. Oh, he's just sitting there. He has to wait, Pet. To wait for the chippies. So they're standing there watching UFO documentaries, so I find all that really interesting. I love all these, you know, conspiracy theories. Is there something out there? Who knows? Sometimes the humans that we have here are weirder than the ones that we find out there. So you never know. But anyhow, I had a lovely morning watching some of them while editing some of my videos. So yeah, that's what we did. That's what I did this morning. And now we're just going to go and have some chippies. Chippies for my baba. Hey guys, just thought I'd do a bit of a check-in. I've had a crazy afternoon, evening. It's only what? I don't even know what time it is now. I can't see the clock. I think it's about... Let me see, we finished... Let me just check the time. So the time is... It's 9:15 at night and the kids are only just getting their bath because everything ran late tonight. We were supposed to went to football so we picked up the kids from school. Then I had to run down to the library to print off some sheets that I had made up through an app, but because my printer decided to break, I couldn't print them myself, so I had to go down to the library to get that done. So that's a bit of fun. So I went down as far as there, and then I met somebody that I knew that I hadn't seen in a while. So you know me, stand there chatting. Then I was like, oh, I've got to go. I have to go to football. So I came home, got the kids a sandwich, then Jude got ready, then we went down to football. And when I was there, I was just editing a video, so that was handy. I like to be productive when I'm there, even though I'm kind of watching them at one eye, I'm also editing as well, because just trying to be productive at my time, because I don't get a lot of free time. When at this hour of the night, like, when the kids are going to bed. Normally now I do try and get the boys to bed about 8 o'clock, but today's running a bit behind. We're about an hour behind. We finished doing the project. I'll insert a picture of our family tree. And yeah, dinner ran late because I'd asked my partner to put on a dinner, like, which was just like fish fingers, broccoli and roast potatoes. And he says, oh, I thought they were having pizza. I was like, no, pizza's on a Wednesday. So I had to go and make dinner. And now he's up there bathing them, and I'm just going to sit down for a minute because I'm knackered. Absolutely shattered. It's been a long day, even though I feel like I didn't do a lot. Like, because I didn't shoot a video this morning. I just, like, edited one from last week and just chilled. Because next week is going to be really interesting, I think. I'm going for a Reiki session next Friday at 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I'm so looking forward to it. Like, I watch a lot of ASMR on YouTube, and I just find it the most relaxing thing. Like, there's a girl I watch, I think it's Reiki by Anna, or Anna Reiki, or something like that. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong as well, but it's all kind of got to do with energy flow. And I just feel like my energy is just not in alignment, so I'm going to go and get that sorted. And yeah, if she's good and I enjoy it, I'll definitely, you know, make it maybe a bi-monthly, or I might try and do it like more than once, you know, because I'm just trying to look after myself this year. I feel like my kids are getting bigger, and I'm slowly getting back a little bit more independence than I used to have, you know, with the kids being babies, you know, you're there all the time. But now, like, you know, Saoirse goes to a childminder once a week, and the boys are in school, and just things are beginning to look up for us a bit, and I'm happy, you know, that things are beginning to work out in our favour and not always be against us. And like, because that's like, we don't have, well, obviously I don't have family here. My family are in a different country in Ireland. But it's nice to just have a bit of me time again. I think I remember when I had Jude and Logan, and I had them really close together as well, like, just having me time. I used to always think, oh, you're so selfish having you time. You've got kids. Honestly, my mental health, like, struggled. I struggled so bad after having Logan. I had really bad depression. I was having issues with things and people, and nobody understood kind of where I was coming from. I might talk about that. See, it's a tricky one, that, because... Hey folks, so we're just heading into Poundland now. I'm just going to go in and have a look and see what they have.
So I just took you into Poundland there. We had a quick look around. Not much in there though, really. Like a lot of Valentine stuff and a lot of rubbish, but the cleaning stuff was good, so I got some of the cleaning stuff. Not much is going to happen today as it's a Wednesday and the boys have athletics tonight, so I'm not going to be doing very much. She is snoozing now in the pram, so I think she's going to have a lie down, so I'm going to try and clean up a bit from breakfast. And yeah, might catch us up later on and see what else I get up to during my day. I don't think it's going to be too eventful of a day, to be honest. My days aren't that eventful, to be fair. But yeah, I'll chat to you later on. Okay, so this was this morning's haul. I didn't get too much. I just got some bread, some pizzas for tonight, some mini cheddars for the boys for school, lots of cheese. And as we ran out, I made carbonara last night, so I literally used up everything. Garlic bread for tonight. The pizzas are for tonight. And yeah, just some little bits of fruit because we went out. That was it, not a lot. This whole shop from Lidl came to £18, so not too bad really, considering I got like some big things as well. God, you can so tell I've had a rough night last night. I just kept waking up during the night. Like Sarah, she was like beside me going, "Help me, mummy, help me," even though there's nothing wrong with her at all. The load of washing I have to do in the back. Here's Miss Trouble. Miss Trouble. What have you got? Oh, your little dolly. So I'm just after coming back in from...
Hello, Mommy.
Oh! So I just have to come back in from Lidl. We did some shopping, which I just showed you. And now I'm going to have some tea with some fruit bread and a muffin that I made. I made these banana muffins, which are my normal muffins that I make. So anytime we have any like bananas that are on the turn, I'm like, hate seeing food wasted. So I make banana muffins or banana bread or something to that effect. Saoirse, will you sit down? She's crazy.
What's that?
So we have a little friend of the boys coming over tonight for dinner, so I got some more pizzas and some more cheese so we can make some pizza. So we can make pizzas.
Pizza did not yucky.
Yucky cheese? You love cheese. What are you saying?
Cheese. Orange.
You like oranges? What? An orange pop-up? Yeah. Okay, I'll get you an orange pop-up. Yeah, so that is it. This is the height of it right now. Cup of tea. And some toast. All the carbs for today. God, I look absolutely wrecked. Put the head on me, honestly. Oh. Anyhow, I'm going to go because she's going to try and eat my breakfast. Even though she just ate a whole 100 of grapes. But, do you want some?
I want it all.
You want it all?
Yeah.
Of course she does. Alright, I'm going to go because I have loads of laundry to do, as you can see in the back.